Check out Malena Ibarra's open house this Saturday over in Gilroy at 8361 Delta Court. It's in the perfect location close to many schools. This Mediterranean gem could be yours, so don't miss out. About the home, you'll find this beauty in the desirable Northwest Quad area of Gilroy. It offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and over 2,600 square feet of beautifully designed living space. Downstairs features the first bedroom and bathroom with elegant terracotta-style flooring. The kitchen is adorned with stainless steel black appliances and granite counters. Upstairs, there's a unique room perfect for use as a playroom or an office den. Outside is your private paradise with an in-ground pool, barbecue area, and a large tiled patio for entertaining or relaxing. With over 8,800 square feet of lot space, this property combines comfort and style. Whether hosting barbecues or enjoying quiet evenings by the pool, this home is a true sanctuary. Malena looks forward to seeing you this Saturday from 1 to 4.